Pag Pinay, pag Filipino, alam na this, diba? Our favorite hotdog. It's the red one. Pure Foods, I went to Asian store and I'm gonna try this again because last time I bought this, it's like I didn't enjoy the taste and like I don't know what, but then let me try it again. The ones in the Philippines are just so delicious, like so juicy. So let me see again. And then of course our noodles, and then I'm gonna have rice. No, you should try this, Blake. Blake, try mo tong hotdog, Filipino hotdog, ha? Try mo, ha? Okay, I'm cleaning up the house. Want to see our house so messed up? There, I'm cleaning. I'm gonna wash because I wasn't able to wash for so long because our water pipes were frozen. Ganyan pag snow. Sabi ko sa anak ko, tikman ng Filipino hotdog. Hindi kasi sila mahilig sa hotdog. Even here in the States, especially my daughter, she doesn't really eat hotdog. Yung anak kong lalaki, he does. Pero hindi ganun hindi tulad natin na mahilig talaga tayo sa hotdog. So, nagugulat sila why daw yung kulay ng hotdog natin na red. So, well, you have to taste it. Kasi our hotdog is really red. In the Philippines, hotdogs are red. Sa States kasi brown. I mean, sa lugar ko I don't know sa ibang state. Pero sa kahit dito, saan ka magpunta, it's always brown. Can't see red. Diba? Unique tayo. Filipinos unique. Well, I don't know about other countries. Pero, kahit ako nung una kong dating dito, wow, walang red na walang red na hotdog. Iba pati lasa ng hotdog nila. But anyway, yep, that's all. Ang dami ko nabili sa Asian store eh. May mga siopaw, siomai, kikiam. Nakalimutan ko, galunggong. Next time magagalunggong ako, bibili ako. Ay, nako, noodles. Walang kamatayang noodles. Rice pa. I'm still waiting for my food to cook. Bye! Yes. Ready na ako kumain. Ngayon, brunch. Patikman ko yung anak ko.